Hey there, fellow explorers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, get ready to lace up those walking shoes because we're embarking on an epic journey through the enchanting city of Braga, Portugal. And you're watching Explore Braga on foot with exhilarating walking tours. Braga, with its rich history and irresistible charm, is a city meant to be discovered on foot, and that's exactly what we're doing today. Taking you on a stroll through its historic streets and picturesque squares. Our walking tour is graded as easy, ensuring you have a delightful time exploring without breaking a sweat. Well, maybe just a little. We're starting our adventure right here, in the heart of Braga's historic city center. Our carefully crafted walking tours are designed to immerse you in the local culture, history, and flavors that make Braga truly special. First stop, the magnificent Braga Cathedral. Join us as our knowledgeable guide unveils the captivating stories behind this ancient church. With a history dating back centuries, the Braga Cathedral is a must-see landmark that will leave you in awe. As we meander through the city's streets, you'll discover hidden gems and iconic landmarks that define the essence of Braga. From charming squares to historic monuments, every step you take is a step into the soul of this incredible city. And now, our journey concludes at the breathtaking Bom Jesus do Monte, nestled atop a hill. This sanctuary offers panoramic views and a sense of tranquility. It's the perfect ending to our walking adventure in Braga. So, fellow adventurers, with the right gear and an adventurous spirit, Braga is ready to share its secrets with you. Whether you're a history buff, a culture enthusiast, or simply someone looking for a scenic stroll, our exhilarating walking tours have something for everyone. Don't miss out on the chance to explore Braga on foot with us. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures, and let us know in the comments if you've ever visited Braga or if it's on your bucket list.